Garage Door Services offers sales, service, and installation of garage doors for commercial and residential customers. We are your cable and broken spring specialists. We repair broken springs, replace garage door panels, install and replace garage door openers, and replace broken springs. Garage Door Services also offers a lifetime warranty for as long as you own your home. Our service calls are $39.95, and there is no additional charge for nights, weekends, or holidays. Customer service representatives and expert technicians are ready to serve you. Please call us today. If you're located in Winston-Salem, our number is 336-744-4496. In Moxville, Clemens, or Louisville, call 336-766-8000. In Davidson County, we can be reached at 336-764-8007. Our Hickory number is 828-267-0357. And in the Lake Norman area, call us at 704-896-9931.